Good morning, my dear students. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson, Volume 2, Geography Lesson 2, Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. Today's topic, Mineral Resources and Industries. Students, listen here. I asked some questions from previous topic, Multi-Purpose River Valley Projects. Are you ready? First one, what's the other name of Papanasam Dam? What's other name of Papanasam Dam? Karayar Dam. Okay. What's the other name of Vaigai Dam? Little Brindavan. Little Brindavan is the other name of Vaigai Dam. Okay. Parapala project is located near Das. Ottanjatram. Okay. Students, listen. Today's topic, mineral resources and industries. Tamil Nadu is the leading holder of country's resources of vermiculite, magnetite, dunite, rutile, garnet, molybdenum and ilmenite. The state accounts for the country's 55.3% of lignite, 75% of vermiculite, 69% of dunite, 59% of garnet, 52% of molybdenum and 30% of titanium mineral resources. The important minerals are found in this state are the follows. Neyveli has large lignite resources. Coal is also available in Ramanathapuram. Oil and gas are found in the Kaveri basin. Iron deposits are found in Kanjamalai region in Salem district and Kalrayanmalai region of Tiruvannamalai district. Magnesite ores are available near Salem. Bauxite is found in Serrayan Hills and Kotagiri, Udagamandalam, Palani and Kollimalai areas. Next, gypsum. Gypsum is obtained in Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi and Virudhunagar district. Next mineral, ilmenite. Ilmenite and rutile are found in the sands of Kanyakumari beach. Next, limestone. Limestone is available in Coimbatore, Kadalur, Dindigul, Kanchipuram, Karur, Madurai, Nagapattinam, Namakkal, Perambalur, Ramanathapuram, Salem and Tiruvallur districts. Magnesite is obtained in Coimbatore, Dharmapuri, Karur, Namakkal, Nilgiris, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli and Vellore districts. Feldspar, quartz, copper and lead are also found in some parts of the state. Next, industries. Industries use raw materials and convert them into usable product or goods. That is industries. Textiles, sugar, paper, leather, cement, electrical equipments, automobiles, information technology and tourism are the major industries of Tamil Nadu. First one, this is the industry, textile industry. Textile industry is one of the traditionally well-developed industries in Tamil Nadu. The textile mills are concentrated in Coimbatore, Tirupur, Salem, Palladam, Karur, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Madurai and Erode. Tamil Nadu has about 350,000 power looms manufacturing cotton fabrics and accounts for 30% of India's exports of textiles products. Erode in Tamil Nadu is well known for marketing of handloom, powerloom and ready-made garments. Coimbatore is also known as Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, Tirupur and Erode and contribute a major share to the state's economy through textiles. So, this region is referred as Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu. Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu. Karur is known as the textile capital of Tamil Nadu. Textile capital Karur. Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Tirupur and Erode. Okay. Next, silk industry. Silk textiles. Tamil Nadu occupies 4th position in the countries in silk production. Kanjipuram silk is unique in its quality and is known for its traditional value for all over the world. The annual silk production in Tamil Nadu is around 1,200 metric tons. Kanjipuram, Arani, Kumbakonam, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tirunelveli are the important silk weaving centers in Tamil Nadu. Ramanathapuram has some specialized areas for the manufacturing of synthetic silk cloths. Next, leather industry. Tamil Nadu accounts for 60% of leather tanning processes of India and 38% of all leather footwear, garments and components. Hundreds of leather tanneries are located around Velur nearby towns such as Ranipet, Ampur and Vaniambadi. The Velur district is the top exporter of finished leather goods in the country. Velur leather accounts for more than 37% of the country's exports of leather and leather related products such as finished leather, shoes, garments and gloves. Central Leather Research Institute, CLRI. Students, do you know? CLRI, Central Leather Research Institute. Yeah, CSIR Research Laboratory is located in Chennai. Paper industry. Many paper industries are located in the state. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited, TNPL. Students, do you know? TNPL, Tamil Nadu Newsprint Papers Limited, is a government of Tamil Nadu enterprise producing newsprint and printing and writing paper at its mill located at Kagithapuram in Karur district. It was started in 1979 with an installed capacity of 2.45 lakh MT of production per annum. TNPL is one of the most accomplished mills in the world, producing different varieties of paper, acceptable quality, primarily from baggage and pulpwood. The other paper mills of the state are found in Pukkathurai of Kanjipuram district, Bhavanisagar, Pallipalayam, Paramathivelur, Coimbatore, Udumalpet, Toppambatti, Nilakottai and Seranmadevi. Next, cement industry. Cement production and consumption continue to grow despite the general recession in the economy. India is one of the largest cement producers and ranked second in the world with an annual production capacity of 181 million tons. For example, the Tamil Nadu Cements Corporation Limited, TANCEM, TANSHAM, Tamil Nadu Cements Corporation Limited, is one among the major cement producers in Tamil Nadu, operating 2 cement units, one at Ariyalur and another at Alangulam. Aspetas cement seeds plant at Alangulam and stoneware pipe unit at Virudhachalam are the other units of TANSHAM. Give some examples of cement. Varieties of cement, students. Sangar cement, Zuari cement, Ultratech cement, Madras cement and Dalmia cement are the major private cement brands produced in Tamil Nadu. Next, GI tag. What do you mean GI tag? What do you mean GI? GI means geographical indication. Geographical indication. The GI is a name or sign used on products which corresponds to a specific geographical location. It provides rights and protection of holders. Some important GI tags of Tamil Nadu following here. First, Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram, silk products. Next, Tanjavur. Tanjavur, dal. Nagarkovil. Nagarkovil, temple jewelry. Next, Erode, turmeric. Next, Patamadai, mat. These are some important GI tags of Tamil Nadu. Next, information technology. According to National Association of Software and Service Companies, NASSCOM, NOSCOM, National Association of Software Service Companies, the southern states continue to account for more than half of the country's total export of software. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh together account for 59.6% of India's total software exports. Tamil Nadu is the second largest software exporter in the country next to Karnataka. A special economic zone, SEZ, is an areas in which the business and trade laws are different from the rest of the country. SEZ are located within the country's national borders, and their aims include increased trade balance, employment, increased investment, job creation, and effective administration. Next, special economic zones. Special economic zones, SEZ. SEZ means special economic zones. The SEZ provides an internationally competitive and hassle-free environment for exports. Units in SEZ manufacture goods and provides a range of services. SEZ are located in Nanganeri, Ennur, Hosur and Perambalur. IT and SEZ named Tidal 2nd and Tidal 3rd and Biopharmaceuticals SEZ are located in Chennai, and Coimbatore is also called Tidal Park 4th is located in the city. What is the list of IT park in Tamil Nadu? The list of park in Tamil Nadu. Tidal Park, and Azendas, Mahindra World City, Mahindra World City for IT, and ITEL's Shesh Tidal second, IT and ITEL's Shesh Tidal third, Coimbatore Shesh Tidal Park. Next, manufacturing and engineering industry. The manufacturing industry is one of the vibrant sectors of the state economy and contributes significantly to the industrial output. The manufacturing industry broadly covers manufacture of machinery and equipment, motor vehicles, basic metal and alloy industries, metal products and repair of capital goods. Tamil Nadu's share of the industrial output is around 11 to 12% of the country's output and 15% of the country's exports excluding software. Tamil Nadu accounts for about 17% of India's software exports. Next, automobile industry. The share of Tamil Nadu in all India production of automobiles and heavy vehicles is rather significant. Automobile industry plays a crucial role in the state's economy and has been one of the key driving factors, contributing 8% to state GDP and giving direct employment to 220,000 people. Tamil Nadu accounts for about 21% of passengers car, 33% of commercial vehicles and 35% of automobile components produced in India. The major automobile manufacturers like Ford, Hyundai, HM, Mitsubishi, Ashok Leyland and TAF have their manufacturing base in Tamil Nadu. Next, chemical and plastic industry. The chemical industry is one of the fastest growing sectors of industry and the economy. This sector contributes 30% to the state's GDP and constitutes 8% of the total exports of the country. Next, handlooms and powerlooms. The handloom sector in the state is the single largest cottage industry, providing livelihood to a large number of rural people and promoting export earning. The handloom sector and its related economic activities generate gainful employment for more than 4.29 lakh weaver households and 11.64 lakh weavers in the state. These societies mainly produce the cloth required for the scheme of free supply of uniforms and free supply of uniforms to school children and free distribution of saris and dhoti scheme. Next, sugar industry. Sugar industry in Tamil Nadu is an important agro-based industry. Students, read out. Sugar industry is one of the agro-based industry. It plays a vital role in the economic development of the state, particularly in the rural areas. The sugar industry provides large-scale direct employment to the several thousands and indirect employment to the several lakhs of foreigners and agricultural laborers in the rural areas who are involved in cultivation of sugarcane harvesting, transporting and other services. There are 34 sugar mills in Tamil Nadu, in which 16 are in the cooperative sector and 18 in the private sector. Next, tourism industry. Tourism is considered as an industry because of its enormous potential in creating employment for a large number of people. In recent years, the state has emerged as one of the leading tourist and destination for both domestic and foreign tourists. The tourism in Tamil Nadu is promoted by Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation, TTDC. The state currently ranks the highest among Indian states with about 25 crore arrivals in 2013. The annual growth rate as their industry stood at 16%. Approximately 28 lakh foreign and 11 crore domestic tourists visits our state annually. The presence of ancient monuments, pilgrim centers, hill stations, a variety of natural landscapes, long coastline, along with the rich culture and heritage, make Tamil Nadu the best destination for tourists. Students, this lesson is over. Students, listen here. Next revision. What are the important minerals found in Tamil Nadu? Neyveli has large lignite resources. Coal is also available in Ramanathapuram. Oil and gas are found in the Kaveri basin. Okay. Why is Coimbatore called Manchester of Tamil Nadu? Textile industry is one of the traditionally well-developed industries in Tamil Nadu. The textiles mills are concentrated in Tamil Nadu. So, the Coimbatore is also known as Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Give some important GI tags of Tamil Nadu. For example, Kanchipuram silk products, Tanjavur dal, Nagarkovil temple jewelry, Erode turmeric, Pattamadai mat. What are the list of IT parks in Tamil Nadu? Tidal Parks, Ascenders, Mahindra World City, 4 IT and ITEL SES Tidal 2nd, IT and ITEL SES Tidal 3rd, Coimbatore SES Tidal Park. Students, listen here. I give some 1 marks from today's topic. First question. Dash is also known as Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Answer, Coimbatore. Second question. Dash is known as textile capital of Tamil Nadu. Answer, Karur. Third question. Dash district is the top exporter of finished leather goods in the country. Answer, Vellore district. Fourth question. Dash silk is unique in its quality and is known for its traditional value all over the world. Answer, Kanchipuram. Next, homework. Students, all take your diary and note today's homework. Page number 113 to 116. Read thoroughly. I will conduct the MCQ test tomorrow. We will meet next class. Bye.